What's up, KGR Media? So we're back with another video and another project. So yeah, well, this is going to be a quick one. This is just a quick project. We're just going to fix the roof and then resell. Okay, so that's what the client wants, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so yeah, have a look. So I have to say, other than the roof, it does look quite good on the inside, but this is a quick one. Just gonna fix the roof and then let it go again for a really low price. So let's see if she runs. Well, obviously she does. First turn, that's good. Not bad. So this is the problem. You gotta fix all of this, that, and this being the biggest problem. Other than that, it's still pretty solid. Yeah, we'll get it done. So obviously this car is really old. It's a 1970, so I assume this is all original paint. As you can see, all the rust, but the motor does look quite healthy. We've driven it, runs quite well, everything's working good, very well actually. It's got a new battery, doesn't give any problems mechanically wise, that is. It's a hit and run, or like I like to call it, a cup and go. So yeah, here we go.